Hello everyone. So using this video, I'm going to show you how to make a connection in connection service, as well as use that connection to access the activity pack in UiPath Studio. Before doing that, you have to make sure that there are three prerequisites which are in place. First of all, you have to be in the alpha environment because currently integration service is in alpha. Next thing which you have to make sure is the UiPath assistant is also connected to alpha. So here, if you see in the preferences orchestrator settings, I have alpha.uipath.com/aks, which is my tenant. And the same is also the URL of my alpha environment. Now, the second thing which you have to understand is uh, the studio which you are going to use, right, to access the activity pack, that should be of version 8.221 or above. It should not be below that. Otherwise, you will not be able to access the activity pack and leverage the connection token, which you are going to get from here, the connection service. So without further ado, let me make a connection on Gmail. So in Gmail, as you can see, this is the UI. And when I say add connection, I have to choose an account which has both Gmail and as well as calendar scope. So this is the account. When I use it, currently I'm getting a warning because my email is not verified in the Google account of UiPath. So I'll ignore the warning for now. If you have already verified your app using in your Google account, you will not get that warning. And when I say continue, my integration connection is successful. Okay. Now this token can be used in the UiPath activity pack. How? Go here. As I said, you have to have 8.2021 or above. Next, you have to do manage and go to orchestrator host. Then install the mail activity pack, UiPath.mail activities to access Gmail. Make sure that you are using the latest version. Say install, save. It takes a bit of time, but yeah, you will be installing the mail activity pack using this process. And that's it. Now to see where your activity pack got installed, you have to go to integration, and it is by the name of Gmail and Outlook. Okay. Now I'm going to use the same connection which I have just made to access the Gmail activity. How to do that? Just drag and drop the Gmail activity in your workflow or in the sequence. And as you can see, currently the email is not assigned, but I'm going to assign it to the email which is here. How to do that? Go here and select add new account. In the add new account, go for default and say okay. When you do that, you can always go and make a request here. Say this is the one which I have used, right? So you can just add the scopes Gmail and calendar and say continue. And now you have received the verification code. You can close the window. This will, what it will do is, now you can see the email is now set up. So this is your authentication in place. Now you can easily access the Gmail API by dragging and drop all the thing. That's it. That's how to invoke an API using the connection in the connection service.